By 1941, the world was burning. Nazi Germany dominated Europe. Japan ruled the Pacific. Britain stood exhausted but unbroken. The United States had vast resources, but no modern war industry. American factories were still making cars, refrigerators, and farm equipment. Then came Pearl Harbor. Overnight, America faced a brutal truth. Victory would not be decided only on battlefields, but on factory floors. Adolf Hitler believed Germany's industry was superior. He mocked American manufacturing as inefficient, soft, and undisciplined. German intelligence estimated U.S. bomber production at a few hundred per year. They believed America could never match German precision engineering. But they misunderstood something fundamental. Germany built weapons like craftsmen. America built them like machines building machines. Henry Ford was already a legend. He had revolutionized the world with the moving assembly line. He knew how to build cars faster than anyone alive. Now the U.S. government came to him with an impossible demand. Build thousands of heavy bombers, faster than anyone thinks possible. Ford didn't hesitate. He promised something no one had ever attempted. A factory so vast, so automated that it would turn raw aluminum into a finished bomber every 63 minutes. The factory was called Willow Run. It stretched over 3.5 million square meters. Inside, production lines were longer than aircraft carriers. Windows ran for miles. Conveyors never stopped moving. At full speed, Willow Run used 42,000 workers, 8,000 machine tools, endless rivers of aluminum, steel, and rubber. German spies later described it as not a factory, but an industrial city. The aircraft was the B-20 for Liberator. Each one required 1.5 million parts, 500,000 rivets, 3 miles of wiring to 1,000 horsepower engines, and yet Willow Run completed one every 63 minutes. Wings rolled in from one end, fuselages from another. Engines dropped into place from overhead cranes. No pauses, no delays, just relentless motion. German intelligence agents risked everything to confirm the rumors. What they saw left them shaken. Entire bombers lined up outside the factory, not waiting for parts, but waiting for runways. One spy reported, "America does not build aircraft. It produces them like ammunition." The report reached Berlin, and for the first time, German leadership understood something terrifying. This war could not be won. By 1944, the numbers were overwhelming. The United States produced 300,000 aircraft, 86,000 tanks, millions of trucks. Germany could destroy planes in battle, but America replaced them before the wreckage cooled. Every German ace lost a plane. Another American bomber rolled off the line. This wasn't just production. It was industrial warfare. Germany relied on skilled labor, hand-built components, dispersed factories. America relied on standardization, automation, scale beyond imagination. Where Germany built quality, America built quantity with reliability. In a war of attrition, only one system could survive. By the time Allied troops landed in Normandy, the war had already been decided. Not on the beaches, not in the skies, but in places like Willow Run. Factories became weapons. Assembly lines became armies. And time itself became America's greatest ally. After the war, a German officer reportedly said, "We lost not to bombs but to production schedules." Henry Ford never fired a shot. Yet his factory helped end the deadliest war in history. Because when America went to war, it didn't just fight. It built victory to one bomber every 63 minutes.